So my name is Adam Barker. I have been on the Academy just over a year now, so I'm an associate member on my second year, and I'm here because this kind of network on the dinners is unbelievable. I've met so many people, JV partners, investors, and everybody is in this room. So yeah, I come back every month religiously. Just over a year now. I'm actually a boat captain by trade. A boat captain. Yeah, so so I bought my first property about 11 years ago. And then in the last 18 months, I've gone into property full time, and I'm currently looking for projects 7 and 8. So yeah, it's been a good year.
How's your career improved since being on the Academy?
Oh, amazing! I've just filmed my success stories video today, and I was saying that I've done 3 flips before joining the Academy, and then since joining the Academy, I've learned about passive income, social housing, BRR, recycling cash, and now I'm looking for 7 and 8 using the same pot of cash. So. Yeah, crazy. Education needs to come first, yeah.
Amazing. Tell me about Samuel. What's like with him and the mentors?
Oh, he's incredible himself. I've had the joy of spending a lot of time with Samuel. I always speak to him every week on a Monday night mastermind. I always try and put myself out there on the Zoom calls and stuff. And the mentors are just as incredible. There's so much support on this Academy. And everybody thinks, I can't get into property. But actually, when you go into property using the Academy, you're now in the industry with loads and loads of mentors that you've got instant access to and unlimited access as well. So yeah, the mentors are incredible.
When at these events, a lot of people kind of make money from the actual days. What's it like being around and seeing that happen in front of you?
Yeah, the deal selling course is extraordinary. Watching Samuel sell deals, people are feeding him deals and then Samuel will sell them for him, just showing people how important your investor list is and stuff like that. But yeah, making money in 10, 15 minutes when you've got your investor list it's quite a sight to see, to be fair.
Tell me why this is a good place for them to start.
I think just because it's scary jumping into property. Everybody thinks they don't have enough money. And when you actually start learning about strategies like raising finance and joint ventures and partnerships, everybody can get into property. You just need to take action and make it work.
It's a place to take action.
Oh, absolutely, yeah, because you get held accountable. You've got catch-up calls with mentors, and they'll say, right, you told me 3 months ago your targets are this. What have you done to get there? And so you're held accountable, and you feel like you need to prove yourself and kind of deliver on your results.